right, we're back. We're back in the airport, flying off to another adventure. This time it's Seattle, heading to Bungie headquarters. Super excited about it. Stay tuned, guys, it's gonna be a wild ride. Alright guys, I made my way to Seattle. Really excited to be here. People already arrived and are making plans for dinner and whatnot, so make this short and sweet. One of the cool things you guys love when I travel is seeing my hotel rooms. I've seen a lot of cool hotel rooms, guys, and I have to say this is one of the coolest hotel rooms I've ever been in. It's a brand new hotel. Look at the decor. First of all, there's a concrete wall over here that's not even painted. It's like literally concrete, right? Those are pillows, but it looks like metal tubes. Right, the stands on the sides are like floating, and there's plugs on the sides, on both sides. There's lights that pop out. There's this lantern light thingy here. There's a couch overlooking the city. There's a little coffee station, a table, desk area, big TV. These, look at this, the dresser drawers, very artsy fartsy, right? And then this shower. Look at the shower. It's in the middle of the room. There's no privacy here. This was made for single or couples. Like, that's it. There's no, if you're showering, everyone knows you're showering. I like it, but at the same time, I'm kind of creeped out about it. I don't know, there's a little creepiness. But yeah, it's really, really cool hotel. I dig it a lot. So big shout out to Activision and Bungie for putting me up in this hotel, for flying me out here. I'm really excited about tomorrow to head over to Bungie Studios and talk shop, talk Destiny. I really am. But first, gonna meet up with some fellow content creators and some friends, and have a few laughs. And just like that, we're out of the hotel, heading to a little meet and greet, a place called Earl's. I'm pretty sure I've been here before. This all looks familiar. Probably the last time I was in Seattle for a Bungee thing.
Hi.
Hi.
It's not that great, but we're here.
It's pretty great. It's pretty great. I like this place a lot. All right, so by the time we got to the restaurant, everyone had already been done eating. So we ended up coming back to the hotel, and the two of us that hadn't eaten yet are eating here in the bar. And we have this awesome view, this awesome patio, fire, it's like sprinkling. And check out what I ordered. So this is like a, I don't know, sauteed carrots with like basil and cilantro and peanuts and spicy peppers and peanuts. Oh, it's just so good. And then this, deviled eggs, and I don't even remember what was it mixed in with it. They're green with some peppers and like parsley, and I don't know. They're served on like hot rocks or cold rocks. They're amazing. This whole thing's amazing. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. Short and sweet vlog. Tiff and the kids didn't do anything, so there's nothing to vlog. She didn't vlog anything, so she didn't send me anything. And a lot of stuff that I was doing today was just like boom, boom, boom. Tomorrow and Friday are gonna be the same thing. I'm gonna be at Bungie headquarters. Inside the studio, I'm not gonna be able to vlog anything as far as I know. So it'll be more of like before, after, that sort of thing. But Tiffany will be doing something with the kids tomorrow. I got a shot for like Bryce's float and his school project, so stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. There should be something going on then. And then Friday, I have no idea. I'll be back on Saturday for a volleyball tournament. So yeah, kind of what it is. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. And so yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Vlog on.